In this video, we'll discuss where to find information about unit conversion factors, and then use the reference provided in ORCA to state a few equivalent units. To start, in our textbook ORCA, Appendix B is where we want to look to find the list of unit conversion factors. In the print version, that would be printed at the end of Part 2. In the web version, we can go to the Content navigation bar on the left and scroll all the way down and find Appendix B for unit conversions. There are many other references available on the internet, but this is the one that we'll use for these videos and for the equivalencies below. To determine how many centimeters are in 1 inch, we'll look at the table with the title Length Unit Conversion Factors. This goes from one length measurement to another, and we can see there are headings up here: units of length in the US/imperial system, units of length in the metric system, and system-to-system length conversions. In the system-to-system one, we're going to see that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, and that's the unit conversion factor that we're looking for. In answering each of these, I'll make sure and write an equivalent statement. The answer to how many centimeters are in 1 inch we've just determined to be 2.54. So I'm going to write that 2.54 centimeters are equal to 1 inch. To determine how many square feet are in an acre, we'll move down and look at the table that's titled Area Unit Conversion Factors. We can see that this is converting two-dimensional units to other two-dimensional units. We have this first one we have 1 acre equal to 43,560 square feet. And so that's what we'll use to answer how many square feet are in an acre. So as we've determined, 43,560 square feet, which I'll write as FT with an exponent of 2 on that feet, is equal to 1 acre. To determine how many cubic centimeters are in 1 liter, we'll need to move past the table for length unit conversion factors and area unit conversion factors. And we'll see that after this we have volume unit conversion factors. And we're looking at cubic centimeters and liters, and these are two different ways of measuring volume. So I'm looking at the table, and again, this is titled Volume Unit Conversion Factors, and it has the same headings here: units of volume in the US imperial system, units of volume in the metric system, and system-to-system volume conversions. We're looking for the equivalency between cubic centimeters and liters, and so I'm going to look through, and these are both metric, so I'm going to look in the second column. And I can see at the bottom here that I have 1 liter equal to 1,000 cubic centimeters. And looking at the equivalency between cubic centimeters and 1 liter, we've just determined that 1,000 cubic centimeters, which I'll write as cm with an exponent of 3, equal to 1 liter. Bits and bytes are units that relate to computer storage and memory. And to find these, I'll come down to the very end of this appendix. This final table is labeled Computer Storage/Memory Conversion Factors. And I can see that there are equivalencies between various sizes of bytes and various sizes of bits. And I have in this first one that 1 byte, which is abbreviated with a capital B, is equal to 8 bits, which is abbreviated with a lowercase b. And for our last one, we have just determined that 8 bits are equal to 1 byte.